Okay. What's going, everybody? Just doing some more work today. Our streams are up on everything. There we are. YouTube's having trouble here. Here we are. Okay. Just been messing with our state machine for the enemy, getting the food hunt behavior all set up. So I think we got our food hunt behavior all perfectly set up for the bunny at all stages. I also changed up our alert to just instantly activate chase. So bunnies should be mostly complete. Also got the new map here. Really far apart rituals this time. FPS. All this can't hurt, I guess, to pick up. So our bunnies should be going after that now. There we go, he sees it. Actually, I guess didn't do the alerted behavior. He just instantly triggers it. So we want to go alerted state when you detect food. Also wait 1.5 seconds. Wonder why he's doing that. I can't really see what state. Wonder why that's not working properly. Yeah, so then that goes to alerted. I guess because this half second is passing first. Okay. So we gotta also have a medium player in range condition here, because this is for the when that is true only. So now it should work fine. State machine bugs. Go over here. Okay, now we need a bunny. There we are. Okay, what you gonna do? Alerted. Okay, food hunt. Okay, now he's not actually going to spaz, hopefully, at the end of my range. He's going to just keep trying, and then... Well, he still spazzes, I guess, but not as bad. Okay. Goes in for it. Okay, and I guess I'm going to have to make that true for all the states. So... Second weight condition. Yeah, player and range condition. Got the monkey noises. Let's go. This is the Killer Instinct original vintage soundtrack from like whenever. I don't know. Food, 1.5. Or not 1.5, I guess we want. Or, yeah, 1.5 is fine. 5. Suck past. Okay. I don't know if I'm really feeling the monkey noises, honestly. Might have to skip that one. Hades soundtrack. Alright. Let's go here. Do the same with our frog here. I guess I may as well copy our base state. Frog food hunt state. Food hunt behavior. I guess I'm going to want a new version of the food hunt behavior dedicated to the frogs. We'll just leave it for now while we get it set up, just because I can slop it in. Missing. We want frog wander state. Go to our alert state. Detected. And this is, we just want to run away because it's stage 1. 5-second wait condition with the food detected condition. Goes into our frog food hunt state. Okay, and then we want to change this one here. So, actually, I'm not using the alerted state on the frog right now. I'm just skipping right to yeah. So we don't want that. We want frog alerted state. And that's short player and range condition. So we want, yeah, exactly that actually. And then we want match any condition. Food detected. So if he either detects food or players in range, it will go to the alerted state. He's in the alerted state. He either half a second hunts the player, or runs away from the player because it's first state, or he waits 1.5 seconds and hunts food. If he's hunting food, he hunts food until the food is missing, and because he's eaten it or somebody else has eaten it, or until the player is in range, in which case he runs away. Okay. Let's try this. Fast frog. He shouldn't have a proper animation for this, because he is supposed to be leaping, but he will just be like crawling towards it. Yeah, so I guess that's kind of fine, because it's like he's just crawling towards the food, but that's not normally how a frog would hunt, I guess. Who fucking cares? It's a video game. Okay, let's do the same here with our crab now. Wait, so what the hell was it before? Oh, just generic food hunt behavior, right? Crab wander. Crab run. In our wander state, we want to add any condition. So player is in range or food item is detected. Go to the alarmed state. And crab is short player detected, right? Alright, I guess he's medium. Frog is the only one that's short. Crab run. Food detected. 125. Food. Crab. Food. Do we not have a... Oh no, I haven't renamed it. Okay. So let's do first ritual complete now. Two. Go back to wander state. Instead of running away, we want to chase now. Frog. Chase. State 2. Wander state 2. Frog alerted state. Whoops. Food detected. I guess that's fine. Short player detected. Short player in range. Did I do that on this one too? Short. Okay. Frog run. Okay. So when the food is missing, wander about. When the player is in range, run away. That's all set up. Sec passed, and player is in range. By a short distance. Do these behaviors. We actually don't want it to be random. I can get rid of these. We just want it to go directly to chase because it's like the final behavior. Okay. And then 1.5 second wait condition. And food detected. Food hunt 3. Okay. The player is in range at a short distance, or food is detected. Then this frog gonna be alerted. Okay. Started. Okay, I think that's all for the frog, right? First ritual completed. Okay. Let's move to the crab now. We already gave it a base. Guess it's easier to copy that so I don't gotta rename it. Wander state 2, run state 2. If you are alarmed, and player is in range, do this shit. This or food is detected. Go to the alarm state, which then checks whether it's food or a player. So, food is detected. 1.5 5 seconds have passed. Hunt food. Okay. Okay. Next and final one. Wander state 3. Run state 3. Alarm state. Chase. Chase. Match any condition. Or no. Clear. In range. Or 1.5 seconds have passed, and food is detected. Food hunt 3. Okay. Grab food hunt 2. Grab let's think all of the food hunting behavior is now set up. And also all the chase behavior should be set up too. Aside from the global hunt behavior, which I need to activate on final ritual completion. I'll work on that in just a second here, along with frog. Or no, maybe I'll keep the frog behavior as is. Just because it works fine enough. So I guess I want to find not a bunny to this song. Crab. Eat it, boyo. There we go. Still don't have an animation for eating for them yet either, I guess. He just kind of walks into it for a little bit until it's gone. I need to go through and label all my food items so that animals will be eating them properly. WellBound prefabs, world items, apple is a food, pear is a food, berries are food. Food and food. Okay. So now they should be all hunting properly. Okay. Guess I'll just real quick make sure that works, but I see no reason why it wouldn't. some pairs right here to try out. Go hunting crab. Okay, he does see it. So that's good. Probably want to make him walk a little faster. I guess I can also turn off debug mode on that. On these guys. Still need an alerted animation set up for the frogs, I think. Let me try. Yeah. So he's not playing the alerted animation. I don't know if I've worked on one for him yet. Sources. Frog. Do that one. We'll do this one. We'll just copy our size here. Do it all separate. Is that good enough? Sure. You can always edit it. Frog alerted. Save as a PNG. Okay. He's gonna like block that so I can't see him. Okay, so. Oh, I need to change the anchors on the image so it displays properly. Texture to the sprite. Would it help? This one. Bottom center. Apply that bad boy. I guess that works. It's just a small little change. Then I need stage 2 alerted. Jump. So this is stage 2. Last big frog. I don't know if that's like too abrupt of a change, but we're going with it. Save. Two. Frog alerted 3. What animation is this? Oh, it's just the run. Sprite. That's a big frog. Okay. Now we should go check our frog animator. Oh, right, I guess I also need the transformation animations for Mr. Froggy. He's here. Whatever. Create a new clip. Frog, stage 1 to 2, transformation, animation. It already exists. Oh. Then where is it? Stage 1 to 2 transformation. I want to see this animation play, but I literally fucking cannot. Here we go. I guess it doesn't really get seen properly because of the way it's played here. But I guess that's fine, it's there. Rock stage 2 to 3, transformation, animation. Got our source enemy here. And it is from here to, I believe, here, I guess. Right? There's bam, 1, 2. That's it. So that is 2. Over 45 seconds, or 0.45 seconds, I should say. It also doesn't look good because of the way it's played, but that's fine. So I can make it a little better. Yeah. There we go. That's what it should look like. Okay. Back to this. So what we were just doing was setting up our transformation animations. And we set up our frog alerted animations. Which we should check to make sure. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that should be all those. Stage 2 alerted. Okay. Okay, let's do some rituals. See our enemy behavior in action here. Still can't pick that snail shell up properly. And I think it's because I just haven't posted this change yet. Or maybe not. Do we have a pickup script on this? I don't think we do. Pick up. Snail shells. Fine. Oh, I had some changes that didn't save a bit ago, so that must be why that's not there. Excuse me. So, snail shell change. Can I pick up our crushed snail shells? That does not have a good icon. Oh, and my wood tension trap icon is not proper. Let's make sure we're going the right way. So we've got a corpse for the one ritual. Probably just pick up some items here otherwise for help. Sacred ritual. Gotta find the sacred item. Go. On to our next ritual. Okay, need a tomato, a rock, and some basil. Got a rock on me. Some basil. And need a tomato from the forest. Oh, did I already have two? Or no, I just picked up three. Because it was a fully grown tomato. That's that ritual. Should maybe somehow make their... I guess it'd be easy to make their icons disappear after the ritual is completed. Not that... Or maybe I'll just have the icon change. Oh, here we go. We got these guys all around. And these guys should just start chasing. Or not. He just did nothing. He chases, though. No, I'm hungry. My double-click use is pretty inconsistent still. I don't know why. Past it. This is kind of the hardest ritual to do last, because it spawns a bunch of enemies on you. I guess I don't need to collect rocks, do I? Let's eat that. Crabs are running around. Okay, now we can escape. Yeah, I definitely need to add the global hunt behavior just so that they keep hunting you all the time. I don't know why I can never eat red berries. Also, the item you're holding should properly go back to your inventory when you close it. Voila. Okay, let's do the global chase behavior. Let's do this one. Okay. New version of the chase behavior that is called global chase. Here. This behavior should be the same as the old chase. However, if player is beyond a certain range, they will be great. I guess I just want to not actually have it be like that. I should probably have a separate state that uses a separate condition that's just a condition that says, say, if the player is beyond this certain range, then just hunt slowly. So I probably don't want a new version of the chase behavior called the global chase behavior. I want a new version of it called distance, or maybe I'll just say slow chase, or slow hunt, player hunt behavior, player hunt behavior. This behavior should be the same as the old chase. However, if the player is beyond a certain range, this doesn't matter. So I actually don't need a new chase behavior at all. I just need a new condition to work in that slot. So we can go out of our art here, go to our scripts, enemy, let's say second ritual completed. Okay. So when you have completed the second ritual, we shouldn't be wandering at all. There should be no more wandering. We need to remove the wander state, and we need to replace it with player hunt behavior, which is just going to be a slower version of player chase. You can also make it a global behavior. So let's go with enemy state, chase. It's not really chase, it's player hunt behavior. And we want it to be 0.5, half the speed. Don't need any reference instance. Oh, wait. Yeah, I did this wrong. Because this behavior will just always use the distance, right? Universal chase behavior. Yeah, I need to change this chase behavior slightly. Just ever so slightly. Okay. Let's just send it our current chase behavior just so it's not confused and it doesn't make something up. Right. Tweak the chase behavior to have a rule that is disabled by default. This spool removes the distance effect on the chase speed and makes the speed multiplier just apply to the whole time. Okay. This way that should leave our current behavior unaffected, but now I can go in and toggle this bool on for any new behavior so that it should still be totally compatible. But was unused. Yeah, I did remove this, so I should probably just get rid of it. So let's get rid of drag amount because I did get rid of that earlier. Every enemy has its own serialized drag value now. So chase speed multiplier, use constant speed disabled by default. Okay. So let's just make sure nothing is too changed here. Can we open this thing, please? What happened? Did I press the button twice? Okay. I guess I can't really test the chase behavior unless I just set the rituals to 3. Which I can do real quick. Manager's game timer, rituals completed 3. Alright, I guess let's go 2 for now. So they're still chasing fine. Wanted to make sure. Why are these guys not chasing? They're getting stuck in this behavior. I should toggle debug on them. Death state, so that's also not displaying the right death animation. states, crab loop. So, second ritual completed. Crab 1 to state 3. Crab food hunt state 3. What is different from the bunny that is causing that to not work? So he's wandering around. Oh, I didn't set this up properly either. So it's supposed to be match any condition. Then it goes to the alarm state. Where it either chases or food hunts. Debug. Let's make sure our debug text is set up. Ignore parent flip. Frog debug text. Ignore parent flip. Put 2 on there by accident. Debug mode enabled. Okay, so he's getting stuck in the frog chase state. You know, now he's just frog alerted. He's running away. Wandering. Frog alerted state, but he's just not doing anything. So he's getting stuck in the frog alerted state. They sure don't chase when they're in the chase state. Let's go to our crab. Frog chase state. Alright, this is ritual active. It's also getting stuck in the alerted state somehow. We can try setting up this second behavior states properly, and maybe that will help. I don't know why it's doing that. Whoops. So... Three... Did I skip the crab second state? Or no, this is here. Dun, dun, dun. I wonder why he doesn't come after me, man. It's just sitting there. He's working fine. He's just running away. Which presumably he should be not doing. What the hell? Okay, so his chase state is broken. Oh, I guess I don't have, like, the skip loop. So at the start, when they're spawned in, they all get spawned in the wander state. So I don't have a check to send him to the right state, I think. So he's in the second wander state, not the third, first of all. So we want 2 rituals completed, condition. And then we want Crab Wander State 3, and then we want to drag that before that, so it gets called before it. And then we want to do the same for our frog. Called in Wander State. Go to Wander State 3. 2 rituals complete condition before. Now hopefully they should just be like, oh yes, I'm in the wrong state. I go to right state. Ritual state 2. Oh, he's food hunting. Wandering state. So he's chasing properly. Yeah, that one is still in Wander State 2. So are all my crabs proper now? Wait, let's see. This guy's hunting me. He is in Wander State 3. Okay, so the crabs I think are spawning properly. Wander State 3. Okay, crabs are good. What is the default frog state? Frog spawns in. Frog Wander State. 2 rituals completed. Go to Frog Wander State 3. Go to Frog Wander State 2. So why is this not going to this? That one is probably detecting the player. Or food. And then going into alerted state first. Maybe. I don't see how that frog is doing that. Let's maybe just move him a little bit. Frog. Well, no, if this is working properly, so why isn't that? Mr. Frog. I think he is in state 3. Well, he starts in state 3, but then one of the states fucks up and then takes him back a state. So, Frog alerted state. Frog wander state. Oh, it takes him to alerted state 2, not alerted state 3. We found our problem. Okay. Oh, and run state is going to state 2. This is on run behavior 2 instead of run behavior 3. It's also, yeah, not supposed to be run behavior, it's supposed to be leap chase behavior. So, frog run state. I know, that is right. Frog leap chase behavior 2. Frog leap chase behavior 3. I gotta change this condition to like a medium short condition. But I guess I should be just like using distance numbers, so that makes more sense. Ooh. Please work. State 3. Oh, and he's chasing, but it's not the right behavior. So What? I'm confused. Is it not supposed to be this frog leap chase behavior? I don't see how it's getting to that. Stuck in the alarm state. Is also stuck in the alarm state. Stays in bunny alarmed state. Crab chase state. Wait, he's in the crab alarmed state. Ah. Chase state 3. Crab alerted condition is having some issues. Go to chase. Go to food hunt. But if nothing happens, And you waited that long. Start wandering again. Crab wander state 3. Crab. Okay. Okay, he's chasing. Okay, oh no, he's fixed. It went down to 2 again. Three. Chase state, wander state 3. And our alerted state. Oh no, this is first ritual completed. Okay, double click some. Still not chasing. What is that? It's being weird. How's this doing? Chase. Chase, staying in stage 3. See, I wonder why it's just... like, it's not... So I think it's going to wander state, but then it's getting sent back to alarmed state. I think that's what's happening there. So we can go wander state. So medium player in range. Or detected food, go to alarm. But then alarmed needs to be... same thing. This does seem to be medium player in range to chase. So that should be fine. I don't know why that's doing that actually. So he's just stopping and like staying and staring at you for some reason. But maybe I'm misreading my conditions or something. Frog, run state. He should be going to chase. Maybe that's where it's wrong. It's going into chase, but then the chase condition ends. So, crap. Second ritual completed. Chase. Short, medium player out of condition. Okay. That's where it is. This needs to be medium. Medium player out of range condition. And that should stop my weird state lock at that range. Now he's just chasing you. Bunnies are working all good. Now to fix frog, chase state 3, close. So frog, chase state 3. It's probably because it's within the stop distance. So 0.1 should be our stop distance. Let's make sure that's true for both of these. Make it all 3. It's not the one in there. Yeah, there shouldn't be. 0.5, 0.1, sorry. Okay. So now, if you get too close to the frog, he gonna bite you. Or try to. There we go. There, you piss him off, and he's fucking... Oh, wait. There we go. And he is kind of relentless, too. I think I am going to take a break here. I'll just briefly end stream here quickly and switch over to do some DVD here. I'm gonna try and end stream so it's like, as opposed to when it's uploaded, it'll be a bunch of different segments of me working. So see if that improves things or makes things different.